let's say you want to determine the range of this function. Range are all y values where the function is defined. So by doing these types of questions, you really want to change your equation or expression into a specific format or a standard form. How about changing this by multiplying each term by x? So to obtain yx is equal to x squared plus 1. Now let's change it to have 0 on the other side. So let's transpose this xy to be having negative yx plus 1 equals 0. Now you can see that our function or our equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, what makes a function to be defined or to have real roots? It's whereby the discriminant is greater or equal to 0. The discriminant is greater or equal to 0. Now, let's talk about the discriminant is greater or equal to 0. Now we have b squared minus 4ac being greater or equal to 0. Now let's substitute by knowing that our a is just 1, then our b, which is the coefficient of x, which is this one, is going to be negative y. Then our c is just a constant, which is 1. Now let's have let's substitute by our b. We have negative y all squared, then minus 4 times a, our a is 1, times c, our c is also 1, is greater or equal to 0. Now let's try to simplify our inequality. We'll be having y squared minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. Now we can find the factors of this inequality, which is y and y, then we have 2 minus, then we have 2 plus, which is greater or equal to 0. Now when you have this type of inequality, you must know that your critical values are going to repair. The other one is going the other side, the other one is going the other side. It always happens when you are having greater or equal to on the other side. So this is the number line notation that give you the direction of your critical values. Now your interval is going to be x is less or equal to negative 2, or your y is greater or equal to 2. So this is your range of your function. Hence we said the range are all y values where the graph is defined. So our graph is defined negative 2, before negative 2 or after positive 2. So this is the idea of